Let us discuss about random variable. What is called random variable? The numerical value associated with the outcomes of a random experiment is called random variable. So numerical value associated with outcome of random experiment is called random variable. Here, first of all, what is random experiment? Random experiment are those experiment which is conducted again and again under the certain condition, and it will always give some outcomes which is predefined. For example, if you toss a coin, we all know that it will give the outcomes head and tail. When we toss a coin, we will get any one of these two outcomes, either head or either tail, and not any one of these two outcomes. So this is an example of random experiment. Or if you are playing Ludo, then also you know that the outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whenever you are throwing a dice, you always know that you will get any one of these 6 numbers. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So that numerical value associated with the outcomes of a random experiment is called random variable. Suppose you are tossing a coin, then the outcomes will be head, head. If you are tossing 2 coins, then the outcomes will be head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. So these are the outcomes which is associated with the random experiment when you are tossing 2 coins simultaneously. So I have detailed explained all this question in my previous video. Link will be given in the description. You can go through that videos that will clarify some of your doubts, or you can go through them. Here we know that head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Suppose we assume then x is the random variable, that is number of head. We assume that x is the random variable which is define the number of heads. Here, first of all, write down the outcomes of this random experiment, and this is sample space. Here, x is the number of head. In the first outcome, number of head is equal to 2. Number of head is equal to 1 here, 1, 0. So, first of all, we assume that x is the number of heads of the random experiment. Then, for this outcome, we got that here h is 2 heads are there, so x value equal to 2. Here ht only 1 head present, therefore value is equal to 1 th. 1 head is equal to 1 tt is equal to 0, because here no head value is present. Suppose we assume that another variable y, and remember the random variable is always denoted by capital letters x, y, z, etc. So you have 26 alphabet in English, so you can use any alphabet to define the random variable. Now here we assume that y is equal to number of tails. Already we have assumed that x is equal to number of head, and now we assume that y is equal to number of tails. So here y is equal to, first of all, h, so it is 0. Here 1 tail is present, equal to 1, or here also 1, and tt 2 tail is present, therefore the value is equal to 2. So this is called random variable. Random variable is associated with numerical value of the outcomes of random experiment. So we have taken the example of this value. Let us take the example when we toss 3 coins, then what will be the random variable? So here random variable only 0, 1 and 2. In the first case, x random variable can be taken as 0, 1 and 2. And again, if you define y is equal to number of tails, then it can only take value 0, 1 and 2. Now we will find out the random variable for the random experiment when we toss 3 coins simultaneously. Sample space will be triple head, 2 head, 1 tail, head, tail, head, then head, tail, tail. Or tail, 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 it will be tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 outcomes are there when you toss 3 coins. Here first of all assume that x is equal to number of heads. Write down sample space, values triple head, HHT, HTH, H double T, triple tree, T double H, THT, TTH. X value will be 3, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1. See here, it takes the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. Suppose we again assume that y is equal to number of tails. So y value will be here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 2. So here it takes the value 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we can write down x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, y is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let us again discuss about the random variable. Briefly go through it. Random variable means numerical value associated with outcomes of random experiment. First we take the most famous example, because all of we know that when we toss 2 coins we get the outcomes head, 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 tail, tail, head and TT, 2 tail. We assume that x is equal to number of heads, y is equal to number of tails. So write down here all the outcome value. Then x value will be 2 head is there, therefore the value is equal to 2. 1 head, 1 head is present, so value is equal to 1. Here no head is present, so value is equal to 0. Y is equal to, assume that number of tails. So y value, here no tail is present, so it is 0. 1 tail is present, value is equal to 1. 1 tail is present, value is equal to 1. 2 tail is present, value is equal to 2. So x takes the value 0, 1 and 2. Y takes the value 0, 1 and 2. Then we take the next example where if you toss 3 coins, then the outcomes are HSH, SST, HTH, H double T, triple H, T, HS, THT, TTH. Here we again assume that x is equal to number of heads, y is equal to number of tails. Now don't confuse that in the previous example we have also taken x value as a number of heads, y is equal to number of tails. Since it is a variable, we already mentioned that random variable. So since this is a variable, so any alphabet or any this letter can be take any numerical value. That's why again we assume that x is equal to number of heads and y is equal to number of tails for this example. So don't get confused that why in the previous example we have taken we have taken x and y, and again we are taking x and y, because these are the variables and variables can take any numerical value. So this is a random variable. Here in a sample space, first of all x is equal to 3 head is present, value is equal to 3. 2 head is present, value is equal to 2. 2 head, value 2. 1 head, value is equal to 1. No head is present, value is equal to 0. Then 2 head is present, value is equal to 2. 1 head is present, value is equal to 1. 1 head is present, value is equal to 1. Now y, we also assume that the number of tails. So here number of tails, triple H, no tail is present, so value is equal to 0. 1 tail is present, value is equal to 1. 1 tail is present, value is equal to 1. 2 tail is present, value is equal to 2. 3 tails are present, value is equal to 3. 1 tail is present, value is equal to 1. 2 tail is present, value is equal to 2. 2 tail is present, value is equal to 2. So here x value is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Y value is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is called random variable. So here I have discussed about 2 examples. You can take any other example. For example, if you are playing Ludo, that also can be one example. So try to solve that example. Okay.